Alright, I'm going to show you the location of the Vauxhall Astra H from 2004 to 2009 ABS sensor on the front. As you can see, obviously we've got the wheel off here. On the front you can see I've already unplugged it, and you just need to sort of follow the cable into the hub there, and the rest of the connection is just following it round. It's even got a port number on there. But this is the actual connection, this is the actual electrical connection for the sensor. To unplug this you just need to stick a screwdriver in there and then sort of pull it down. You can see where it's going back in there. So that's the ABS sensor for the front, and on the rear it's quite easy to come underneath from the back, and then you can see the electrical connection right there. So that's the electrical connection with the actual sensor going into the hub. So that's that. Obviously it's the same on both sides. So that's the Astra H ABS sensor's location.